So, what should the person that's actually being accused do? Because now let's say that they're a little bit lower down, they're like a middle manager or something like that, and now they're stuck in between their company that's trying to cover their own tracks, basically, and the person who's, accusing.
Well,
what should they do? Should they hire a lawyer?
See, it's a difficult question, and it's very fact specific. If it's a sexual nature or sexual touching, 100% hire a lawyer.
Okay.
100%. Too serious, too intense, and too much potential for very serious ramifications.
Right.
That's my advice.
Right.
And also you can ask that person, because if a lawyer's good that you've hired, they'll tell you, because sometimes I was reading something the other day where a gentleman, and this was 5 years ago, slapped a woman on the leg. And everybody there at that time thought that was acceptable. And a lawyer's clearly going to tell you that's not acceptable.
Right.
And so if your attitude is this person's being difficult and they're complaining, you need that to be corrected instantly.
Right.
Because if you start acting like you're the victim, or you're just going to get yourself in worse trouble. So if it's a minor thing, I would probably go to my supervisor and say, hey, this is what I've been accused of. I'm not really clear on what's happened. Honestly, if you're accused of something minor or not minor, don't start making statements. It's too quick, it's too soon. Like, get your head around what happened.
Right.
Not to change it. It is what it is. Like, you want to be honest and accurate. But, there could be some emotion, there could be some fear, there could be some anger. How dare that person, blah, 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 who knows?
What if the person's threatening to go to the media? Like, if, I don't know, like, if this person isn't fired, if you don't leave the company tomorrow, I'm going to go to CBC and talk to one of their reporters. And they're pushing, like...
Yes. Well, really, that's the employer's job. That employer should hire a lawyer.
Right.
Because that's a very serious thing. If they fire the person that's accused incorrectly, wow, they got another problem.
Right.
So they should look, first thing is, everybody's got to get calm. Okay? Just relax, calm down, assess the situation, defuse the whatever issue was, and then get proper advisors, and then get people to get involved. If someone's accusing you personally of going to the media, honestly, I think you really should look at getting a lawyer very quickly, because you don't want to threaten that person.
Right.
You do X, I'll do Y.
I'll file a defamation lawsuit.
Yeah.
Right.
And truth is, again, those things should probably be in writing, because heated conversations, and then the other party says, well, this person yelled at me, and you're like, I didn't yell at you, but I was upset too. It's too much interpretation. So my general advice, calm down, diffuse the situation immediately, get professional assistance, and if you feel threatened, whether you're the person alleging or the person being alleged against, if you feel like you're over your head, you don't understand the situation, this is way too serious, get assistance. And I would suggest a lawyer is probably the best person to get assistance very quickly. Try and get someone in this area. It's a very specific area of law, and you're going to need someone that can help you quite quickly.
Is that employment law, or is there a special area of law for...
I think employment's a good way to start.
Okay.
It's a good place to start. Employment's quite a large area,
right.
But an employment lawyer is a great place to start. And I don't know if there's real specific, I've been accused of harassment lawyers, right? They don't advertise to me for that kind of thing.
Sure.
So I think employment's probably the best place to start.